Creative, it's Obaio here, your instructor for the course, and I'm super excited as to how far we've come, but we're not done just yet. There's one more topic for us to cover before we can boldly claim to create 3D environments with Blender for XR. And what are we going to be talking about? We're going to be talking about materials and textures. Yes, you might be familiar with the topic because we talked about that earlier in the course in chapter 13, where we talked about using materials to modify the appearance of objects. But this time, we're going to be using materials and textures and go further to work with nodes. Now, this is because from experience, I noticed that working in Blender, you might be able to get away with modifying your textures and materials, but it just might not work when you start working in VR, whatever software you choose to work with. And this is what we're going to be addressing before we head on over to our capstone project. All right, let's get to it.